Assalamualaikum guys, this is me Muhammad Javed bin Wakar, and today we are in a park that is really near to our house. So today I also fell in the park and my mom was making the video. That's me in the front. I was playing there and Siva Khulbat were playing. I fell there. I was coming slowly because it hurted me, and there were so many aeroplanes near it because it was very close to the airport. Every time there would be an aeroplane coming after every minute. I got tired, so I came to eat chocolate yogurt. So now I was going to go back, but it took me time finishing my water and this because I already was playing. Now I'm done now. I'm going. I'm giving a thumbs up. Now I'm going to play. They just said me to come. This is me. That's me with the black one. I don't need my ball because we will all play with one ball. Okay guys, bye guys.